Yeah, it had a hole in it. I put a Lumaseal in there and 2 fresh gallons of water while it was hot. Hell yeah! Oz dog, no, buddy. Come on. Oh, nice air, but you didn't make it.
Oh, we'll make it.
Oh, that's strike 2, man.
That's right.
Oh! Fucking awesome, man. The air was amazing.
Give it to me. Awesome.
Stay up here, buddy. Hell yeah! 1 try! Woo!
Say my name.
Seatbelt.
Rasty just lost radiator 2.0. This is Rasty with the locker. You know the line, you've been up it. Come on, Charlie. Or I mean, Oswald, Charlie, get out of the way. Hell yes! Hell the fuck yes! That was some shit! Fuck yeah! Oh, you're on the tree already, bro. Oh! Yeah, you do that. Drop her down. Don't hit your own truck. Blah, 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 blah.
Hey, knock it off.
Make it. No, do it again.
9 seconds.
Whoa! Blah, blah, blah. Head it for the house, buddy. Go, go, go. Oh, you're hitting trees. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Rally car, rally car. Go, 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 go. You got 8 seconds. Oz dog, stay up here. Get over here. Go, 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 go. Not so hard. Oh, damn. That didn't work at all. at all. All right, viewers. I hope you enjoyed watching a little bit of Rasty 2.0. All of us out in the woods having a good time today. Introducing new people to wheeling is so much fun. Sadly, the radiator is gone again. But that's okay, because another radiator is coming. And you didn't even hear it breathing hard. I don't think Rasty has any glass besides the windshield and these little quarter glasses. There's the good 410 rear end that was in there. I welded up a junk one that was put together from multiple pieces. Man, we had a good time today. Sneak peek of the new wheels on the mini truck. Waiting on a few pieces for this, but that won't take too much time. Slim, Oswald, the group of us. What a great time today. Thanks for joining us. I super appreciate you. Like, subscribe, comment. It's free, easy, painless. I'd sure appreciate it. Y'all have a super great day.